this episode of The Easy Company.
You work on your bike now?
Probably.
Oh, sick! There's still oil in there, dude.
Yeah, somebody's got some oil in that.
I know. Hey! Joe!
Be careful with that.
You're still limber. You're still yeah, stripped out. Yoga class. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
My elbow's on my knee. I can never remember.
Plus on Monday we're going to Louisiana.
Prime time, boy. Prime time. Prime time. What is this one right here? Live, laugh, love.
Sick, really? Yeah. It's the whole ride, dog. That's what I'm trying, dude. Yeah. None of these guys will drink with me. I've been drinking by myself.
Yeah, I started out with a fucking nickel water.
Was like, I mean, you were here, obviously. You felt, it was like 100 fucking degrees out there. Our shit, we were getting nuked out there. Nuked. It was crazy.
My bike will not start
His
now.
bike will do. His bike needs a valve job now.
Come on, boys.
Sure do.
Fuck.
Sure do.
I think you hear it smacking a piston if it's stuck. Intake wasn't even opening. The front cylinder fuel. Top right now.
I don't believe.
Hit it. Get it. Get in there.
Pretty deep.
It's bad. Yeah. It's bad.
What are you feeling? What's going on in your head?
I don't really know what to feel. Waiting how long?
A while. What time is it? I don't even know.
11:43.
So an hour and 15 minutes ago, you guys were supposed to leave kickstands up.
It's out of my hand.
Oh.
So when my mom was pregnant with me.
It is fucking crazy.
It's every time.
God damn it. Why'd you
All right, here's the thing. We're gonna pass it around the whole trip. We're not gonna lose it. But we're never gonna know where it's at.
Damn right.
At one point in time, an ambulance rolled up, the lights on and shit. We're like,
Who
there
died?
goes this, and then fucking the EMTs get out and they're like, fucking, what's up? We're here for the party, yeah, dude.
Showed up, slammed some beers and shit. And
In an ambulance, lights on, and we're just like, oh, and we walk over and like, all right, put on our professional, like we'll go talk to him. And then some of the band guys run up, and it's a homie, and they're shotgunning beer.
That's
Back in the
sick.
ambulance, gone.
That rules.
You work on your bike now?
Probably. Now it doesn't want to start.
When Danger Dan told the boys they'd be going on a ride, everyone's initial reaction was, "Where are we going?" His only response was, "East." He explained that each CeeLo player would be riding each other's bikes. This idea put the builders on edge. No one really gave themselves enough time to test out these machines before taking the journey to the Lone Star State. No one could anticipate the challenges they would soon face. The ride was fast and hard, then stop and fix simultaneously. Even the prettiest of bikes had its quirks. They had many stops, but were never down long. The bike builders banded together like brothers.
I saw something bouncing, and I was like, is that off my bike? I was like, nah. And I was like, wait. I saw all that mist. I was like, oh shit.
Dude, when I looked down, it was just river of oil. I'm like, oh fuck.
Oh yeah, dude. Good.
Thanks, appreciate it. Yeah, seemed all right.
Yeah.
A little uncomfortable.
The brake thing gets me every time.
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what. Unless that's from your
That's
brake.
probably from this.
Brake.
I would imagine.
Oh, it could be from
Yeah, it's
Could be from my bike.
pretty good.
Yeah. You can take this one. You can take this one.
I might think it's a brake.
I would imagine.
Warren's truck's got a couple of
Holy shit.
Warren and Nick took off. They're on their own mission.
All right, I'm gonna make the show, man. See you guys after.
I'll walk.
No more trading.
What's that off?
The old pressure switch. Full pressure switch.
Oh, sick. There's still oil in there, dude.
Yeah, someone's got some oil, and I
think it's from
back.
this.
I think I saw where it fell off.
He's got his nutsack down on.
Sick. I don't know why it's been popping because I was like, man,
Hell yeah.
Yeah, switch pipe fell out.
Hell yeah.
I didn't know what was going on.
Oh yeah. Hey, we got 2 breakdowns. Can I use your gloves? Can I use your gloves?
You're gonna steal my thunder, okay? I'm the original breakdown, all right?
Hey, fuck that. I started.
I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Wait, they try to get the front out and put it back in?
Probably just loosen it and tilt it back up.
Yeah, just get it. Nick and Warren are just on their own trip, huh?
Yeah. Like I said, I stopped for it right up the road.
There you go. Thank you, buddy.
I'm glad you're able to do that. So we saw.
Sorted it out.
These are great.
Yeah.
That's great, man. You guys are supposed to be
This is
fixing
the
the bikes
shakedown,
now.
right? You know,
Got to rig here with some more.
I got piles.
You got your brake clean?
So you guys have.
I don't have any.
Bob, you got your brake clean?
Another crisis averted. They were back at it again. Who knows for how long, though? with failures lurching around each and every bend. These gents rode hard, trying to outrun their demons. Who could possibly be next? The answer to that question is easy. Really easy.
How many bikes have you ridden?
3.
Who's your favorite so far?
Dwayne's, honestly.
Wow. I kind of saw that coming.
Dwayne's is sick. Nick's is fucking rad too. I mean, it's cool. But yeah, Dwayne's is cool.
See the vapor coming out of it.
Yeah, see, and then you just rip it out if it doesn't work.
It was hauling ass, man. I was loving it. Fucking cruising right along.
I couldn't keep up.
No, it was awesome. I think it's smart.
Another one. Yeah, that's good.
Troubleshooting as we go.
It's like you give it a minute and reset itself.
Hey, bud. Heard you might need this. I got them on ice. I got a 6-pack on
You're
ice.
the best.
Well,
You're the best.
mud up there.
That was fucking wild. that was wild. We found the country roads. Straight up. Yeah, no, those roads are sick. Then once,
Made it.
hell yeah,
Warren.
did it.
Thanks for your help before I do appreciate it.
Yeah, it needs a little love. Motorcycles, baby. All right, let's party.
Beers.
I gotta call my wife.